5 Best Mini Fridge with Freezer 2024. One. Upstreman. The Upstreman Mini Fridge with Freezer features a compact single-door design, making it convenient and space-efficient for various settings like dorms, offices, bedrooms, RVs, and garages. It offers adjustable thermostat settings ranging from 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit, with energy-efficient operation estimated at 0.5 kilowatt-hours per day and quiet performance at 38 dB. The fridge includes a crisper drawer for fresh produce, removable shelves for customizable storage, and comes with accessories like an ice tray and defrost tool. Two. EUHOMY. The EUHOMY Mini Fridge with Freezer offers a combination of fridge and freezer advantages, featuring 2 storage zones, a 0.96 cu.ft freezer and a 2.24 cu.ft fridge, suitable for ice cream, frozen food, fresh produce, and refrigerated drinks. It supports 7 temperature settings with a powerful yet quiet compressor. LED lights illuminate the interior, and adjustable shelves and a crisper drawer optimize food storage. The reversible door enhances placement flexibility, while adjustable feet ensure stability. With energy-efficient operation and a 1-year warranty. Three. Upstreman. The Upstreman Mini Fridge with Freezer is compact and convenient, fitting easily into various spaces like apartments, dorms, offices, bedrooms, and RVs. It features adjustable temperatures ranging from 33.8 degrees Fahrenheit to 46.4 degrees Fahrenheit and includes a compact freezer for making ice cubes and preserving food. Operating quietly at 38 dB, it ensures a peaceful environment while being energy efficient and eco-friendly with a low daily cost of 0.5 kilowatt-hours and refrigerant are 600A. Upstreman provides a worry-free 1-year quality and service guarantee. Four. RCA. The RCA RFR 322 Mini Refrigerator offers compact convenience with a 3.2 cubic feet capacity and features like a reversible door for flexible placement, adjustable thermostat control, and an energy-efficient compressor cooling system. It comes in various stylish colors to enhance the appearance of any space. Additionally, it includes an ice cube chamber and boasts low annual power consumption at just 5 kilowatt per hour. 5. BLACK+DECKER. The BLACK+DECKER BCRK 17B compact refrigerator is a stylish and energy-efficient option, offering 1.7 cubic feet of storage space in a compact design. It features a removable glass shelf for easy cleaning, additional door storage, and a small freezer compartment suitable for ice packs and frozen dinners. The fridge includes convenient features like a reversible door, adjustable temperature control, and leveling legs. With ultra-quiet operation, it's suitable for various settings including dorm rooms, offices, and baby rooms. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for parts and labor, and a 2-year warranty for the compressor. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.